Okay, today we are going to learn about loud and quiet. Loud and quiet. Are you ready? Monkey, monkey. Are you ready, monkey? Yes. Loud. Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Oh, very good, monkey. Okay, so everybody, let's be loud. Everybody, let's be quiet. Very good. Now let's look and see. Monkey, this boy is reading. Is he quiet or is he loud? Which is it? He's quiet. Shh. But look, monkey, this girl is shouting. Ah! Is she being loud or quiet? Do you know? The girl? Is she loud or is she quiet? Tell me. Very good. She is loud. Wait, monkey, can you be quiet? Yes, I can be quiet. I like being quiet. Very good, monkey. Monkey, can you be loud? Yes! Hey, hey. Oi, monkey, monkey. It's very loud. Okay, boys and girls, are you ready? At home, I want you to draw one animal that is loud and one animal that is quiet. I know. Oh, yes, monkey, tell me. The lion. The lion is loud. Roar! Very good, monkey. The lion is loud. And the one animal that is quiet, monkey? A mouse. A mouse is quiet. Squeak, 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 squeak. Very good, monkey. The mouse is quiet. Okay, so I want you to draw us one animal that is loud and one animal that is quiet. Okay? Yes? Are you ready? Okay, very good. We'll see you soon. Bye. Say bye-bye, monkey. Bye-bye, everybody.